What's up, bro? It's good shit right there, bro. Yeah, my channel would probably blow up if I took you along with me on some adventures. But this is a one-man show here, kid. You're cute and all. I'd love to have you on my journey. But it just wouldn't work, you know? No, me and a dog. I don't know. I mean, yeah, I probably would get 100,000 subscribers just, you know, because you're so adorably cute. But, I don't know. I need all the attention from the ladies myself. You would probably take too much of my attention away from me. The attention that I deserve. Just get it while the getting's good. Eat this Walmart chicken that I don't want anymore. And then I'm going to hit the road, kid. So I don't know where you're going to get your next meal. You're kind of on your own. But for right now, you can kind of hang out for the night. Maybe I'll let you sleep in my trailer if you promise not to trip out. But you got to leave in the morning, okay? So as long as you promise to leave, then you can hang out for the night.